So this is actually a 1999 CR500. Pretty sweet bike. The frame has actually been nickel plated, so no BS spray paint. Or actually, I mean, I love powder coat. Preferably that's the way to go, but I feel like this might be an exception to the rule. It's just definitely a little bit different. You know, and nickel plating is supposed to hold up much better than any kind of powder coat. Last a lot longer, way more durable. This is actually a 1991 CR500. That's all in pieces right now. And there's the motor. Have an RMX in '89 going through that at the same time. So actually two bikes completely in pieces, trying to keep them separated the best I can. This is a 93 CR500. By the way, if you just go through my channel, I have videos of most of these bikes just idling, kickstarting them, and just walk around, stuff like that. If you're interested, check it out. This is a 2000 CR500. Oh, there's the 91 seat that's going to the bike that's being restored. That's my dual-purpose 97 CR500. I'll be making videos about all these bikes here soon. I'll get them uploaded. This is a 92 CR250. 04 CR250. This is a 93 YZ250. Going to be restoring this. Doesn't really need much, but not going to leave it like this. Going to powder coat the frame. New plastics, new graphics. Pretty sweet bike. I got this 85 CR250. Going to be restoring this as well. Actually, I'll be making another video of the workshop I have as well. Have about 10 more bikes in there. And then this is the 84 CR500. It's been completely restored. Just a really pretty bike. This is actually the first year of the CR500, and it happens to be air-cooled. First year CR500, and it was actually the last year of the air-cooled motors too at the same time. Never get tired of these bikes. All right, let's start up this fire-breathing dragon. thing is just a beast.